aren't doing it for me, but Denji, he has some promise in him, so I decided to start something new. Clone Denji. Please welcome Project CERBERUS!
Protect my queen! My queen! You back off from her!
They are so well trained. They are the best boys that I've ever had. It's working well.
You are so beautiful! I mean, she is not. No, not. You're the one for me, Makima. Rock, paper, scissors, scissors! Rock, paper, scissors, scissors!
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Best 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5, yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, scissors! Okay, wait, one more time. Rock, paper, scissors, scissors!
I can beat this game.
Booba!
Wish!
Kachan and I'll be Deku.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Kachan.
What do you want?
You look really cute.
They're really friendly. I find the boys do a little bit better if they get a little bit of exercise. Denji 1, jumping jacks. Denji number 2, squats. Denji number 3, throw some cage. Aki, how's it going?
Any new assignments for me?
Not much right now. You know, Team CERBERUS is going so well. I'm pretty proud of it. And actually, while I was thinking about it, I actually do need my laundry to be picked up. So if you could do that for me, I think we should get her a new phone or do some
Nuts
experimentation.
or nothing. Nuts
So
or nothing. Nuts or nothing.
Oh, shoot, you bad boy. Shoot. So when you can do that, just let me know. Thank you.
Thank you.
I swear they're brilliant. I need a break. I use the restroom. Hey, do you mind taking them for a minute? Oh, no. They're really good boys. There you go, you got it? Okay, thanks. Let's play a game.
Oh, Makima says.
Let's play Makima says.
Yeah, Makima
Makima
says.
says. Kneel.
Kneel.
Makima says, stand.
Oh, sit.
What are you doing? I said get down. Get down right now.
Okay. Oh, we're down.
You all lost. Sit down.
Okay.
The boys are tired, so I'm gonna try to pull them home. They're too heavy. Power, Aki, please come help me. Let's go!
Oh.
Come on, Denji! Come on, you heavy mother! Get up!
Hey guys, thank you so much again for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. Also, I'll be putting the links of all of my incredible friends in the description down below, so make sure you go follow all of them because they're super awesome. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Bye guys!
Sit!
Oh, yes ma'am!
See you guys!